Hey guys, and welcome to another Untitled Chapter. In this video I'm going to do a tutorial on how to use this heavy chipping fluid. So guys, what we have is a bottle of the heavy chipping fluid from AK Interactive, and this is supposed to substitute for the hairspray and salt technique. I actually still like to use that technique on models because I think it gives us a more finer appearance. It really depends on what you're looking for. So I still, as you've seen in previous videos, like to use that. But I figured this would be a great opportunity to use this fluid here because what I'm after is to recreate the landing bay of the Galactica. This piece that you see here is going to serve as a display base for my Battlestar Galactica Raptor. So here's a picture of the Galactica landing bay. As you can see, it's painted white with these red and yellow stripes. Taking a closer look, you can see the surface is rather worn and the paint's chipped away and weathered, and simply because of all the foot traffic and heavy equipment that's moved over these surfaces. So this is what we're after, and I think we can achieve this look with our chipping fluid here. So what I did was to prime this surface gray, and the next thing to do now is to apply our chipping fluid, and the directions tell us to go ahead and spray on 2 to 3 coats with our airbrush before spraying on our flat white. Alright, so now that this is dry, we're going to go ahead and take a toothbrush here and start chipping away at our paint. You can see it's already starting to work here, and it comes off pretty easily. Okay, so here we now have our chipped, scratched surface. I was able to even wipe some of it off with just a damp towel, and that gave me some of the finer areas here. So you can actually achieve a finer look here. You just have to be careful because it does easily come off. And so what I'm going to do now is allow this to dry, then we'll go ahead and put a clear dull coat so we can preserve this look, and then we'll move on to the red and yellow stripes. Alright, next thing to do is to paint the yellow stripes, but first we're going to go ahead and reapply our chipping solution. Alright, and after following the same method with the red stripe, this is now the finished display. I also applied some pastels along some of the panel lines here, which, by the way, the panel lines were created with the scribing tool from Tamiya. Alright, let's go ahead and put our Raptor on and see how it looks. Well, I think this chipping fluid worked out pretty well, so it's certainly an alternative to the hairspray and salt technique that you can use when weathering your models. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here on my YouTube channel or at untitled@gmail.com. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.